Hello, I'm Vanessa Kelly. I'm Senior Project Officer for the Greater Cambridge Partnership. The Greater Cambridge Partnership are investing millions in the 5 cross-city cycling schemes to make walking and cycling around the city and beyond much safer. We've just completed the Ditton Lane, East Cambridge cycleway scheme. We've widened the footway next to an embankment to up to 2.5 metres wide. The Ditton Lane scheme will make cycling and walking much safer on what is a very busy road in and out of Cambridge, especially for school children going to Ditton Primary School. And it also makes better connections to the wider cycle network. The final piece of the cross-city cycling puzzle will be Fulbourn Road. We need to complete that scheme. These works will be done as part of the County Council's Robin Hood Junction upgrade and should start early next year.